What'd Daddy say?
I love it. Talk to me. Take me. Take me. Take me.
What, Mom, to cut your nails?
No, that's
What?
a mess.
You made a mess. It's only water. It's okay.
Oh my God, my nails.
What?
I cut my nails.
What?
You cut my nails.
Cut your nails?
I had it.
All right, sit back. What do you want me to do?
Cut my nails.
Cut your nails? But I cut your nails last night.
Please.
Again?
Yeah. That face. That face.
What, this?
This.
You want me to do it?
I can walk.
Can I cut your toenails?
Oh no.
How come?
I think it's my eyes. People, see where my eyes.
Creasy bit your earring? Creasy's a bad boy. I love you. Karina. Karina. Hey, look at me. I love you.
I like to do my nails. Do my nails. No, I use my nails.